Hello and welcome to Cultural Books. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make an origami fortune teller. So you need a square piece of paper. I cut this out from a piece of colored paper with some of those kind of scissors that have edges. So if you need to get a square piece of paper or cut one out, pause the video and hurry and get it. So now let's begin. Okay, so you will need a square piece of paper, like I said, and markers, pens, colored pencils, anything really. So I'm going to use double markers. These are really cool. Get them if you can. So, and let's start. So, you can use a book or a desk to start. So we're going to start with doing fold lines. So, first you make sure you get it kind of even. Now put your fingers and fold. Get it. Actually, make sure you get it really even. Yeah, that's good. And done. Now turn it sideways so it's a diamond. Fold. Okay, now you have your fold lines. And straighten them out so it doesn't confuse you. Now you should have like a cross. Oh, the lighting's super bad right now. Okay, that's better. Got it? So now you take a corner and fold it in. It doesn't matter which corner you start with, just fold a corner in. Then do the other corner, fold that in. It's fine if you mess up a little on this part, but if you mess up like terribly, you can pause this video to unfold it. And if I go a little too fast, pause the video and catch up. Okay. You got it? So, good. So now, make it a square, diamond. Well, this we're going to use as a square. Flip it over. Now it should be a square with like nothing. So now, do you see these folds? Fold the corners into the middle fold. Like this. Fold. 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 And fold. Okay, so this is a hard part. If this is too hard for you, like I recommend that you try this. But if it's too hard for you, ask a grown-up. They should be able to do it, and if they can't, watch really carefully. Fold it. Do you see this? These? Put your fingers in, and put your fingers in. This is a hard part. Put them in, and if it's too hard, like I have big problems with this sometimes. Fold it again. Finger in. sure to get it to the corner. Finger in. And make sure to get it to the very corner. And voila. You have it. So now that you know how to do that, unfold, and this is the marker's big moment. So now you will choose a marker or a pencil, crayon, whatever you have. I like this color, and I don't know how well it will show up, but so, and write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, 7 and 8. 7, 8, 1. And if you need to, go over it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so now that I've got that, I'm going to use a better marker. Write fortunes. Like, these fortunes can literally be anything. Like it can be, you will be an astronaut or something. Literally. But I like to do simple ones, like you will get a drink of water, or you will take a shower, or something like that. Or you will read a book, something like that. If you can't read, you will learn to read. Like, sometimes I put, you will not choose 3. It's kind of interesting. So 5, so start with 1, and do, you can really do anything. I will do, you will drink water. And now to number 2. If you want to, you can put numbers, lines, so you can like tell them apart. This one will be, you will read B-O-O-K, a book. You will read a book. 3. So now you can just read. Now you can just write a whole bunch. You will go to school. And then I'm gonna put a slash work. Some people don't go to school, but they do go to work. And if they don't go to either, hope they don't choose 3. And you will not choose 3. Okay, you could skip this whole part if you're not enjoying it to get to the other part. Sometimes it's hard to think. You will play a sport. You will wash your hands. And 7 will be you will color. You will have a good job. Okay, so now I'm finished. I know, you're like, finally. I take a long time. So now, Finn, go away.
No.
Okay, fine. So now, you do this, and you do the same thing that you did. So make sure your fingers go to the very corners. Like, go to the very corners, and voila. So this part will be hard since you're drawing on it with when it's folded. So here's what you do. Just 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is the fun part. Go to someone and say, pick a number between 1 and 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pick a number between 3. Pick a number 3, 4, 7, 8. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 7, 8. 7. And 7 is you will color a picture. So this is how it works. I hope you enjoyed making it with me. I did. So thanks for watching.